Today I want to take the time to go over a huge investment metal, silver. Everybody's doing it these days. They're buying some sort of silver, whether it's in the form of rounds or bars, like you see on the table here, or they invest in the paper stocks through the stock market. So this is more or less a quick video of, okay, what kind of rounds and bars are available out there. Bars and rounds are not built the same way. Some will have a little bit pure silver content over the others. Generic rounds, what they call it in the trade industry, is something I'll talk to you about as well, and kind of differentiating the various types. So that way when you go to shop for silver in any type of form, it helps to know which ones will help you get a little bit bigger premium. So we're going to start with the basic silver round. Okay, it's focusing in right there. This is a generic A-Mark Apmex silver round. This one has a Liberty Bell on them. Okay, you'll find online and at the dealers a little scrap tray that you're going to find quite a few of these. More than likely, they're either going to have like a, the eagle that you normally see on the old half dollars, or you're going to see some with the Morgan dollar head on them. The more common generic ones won't get you a huge premium. You'll get them for melt, maybe just a tad bit over that. All right. Okay, and here's the most popular selling silver round, the U.S. American Silver Eagle. This is in 1987. So it's the second year that these are made. Very pretty coin. And you're going to find these in scrap bins. You probably pay a little bit more for these ones, but they're well worth the money because, these are selling really nice on sites like eBay. Okay. Here's a 1996. This is the lowest mintage Silver Eagle made. Okay, I think they made 3-4 million of these. It's not a whole lot for the series because these are very highly collectible, and bullion stackers like having these because they do fetch a little bit more of a premium. So if you see these at a dealer's bin and they're selling all that stuff in there, it doesn't matter which condition it's in. This particular one, the 96, looks like it's been circulated. It's been heavily worn a little bit. This is the Mexico version of the bullion coin. This is the Libertad. This is a little bit more recent of a design on there. They have an older angel design on the obverse. Okay, it's a very pretty coin. These will fetch a nice premium too once you, if you identify one and you pick it up for close to melt. Okay, these are certainly a keeper. Okay, another popular one is the Canadian Maple Leaf. Here's a little bit newer version. I think this is a 2008. It's got the maple leaf design. These coins exhibit very striking proof-like finish on there. And this is a little bit higher silver content than the Silver Eagle. It's 0.9999 fine. These can be had for melt. I picked this one up 75 cents over melt, and it's in great shape. I don't know if you can see it, and beware when you buy these. Some of them will have milk spots, and that's as a result of the minting process. The borax that they put on there, even though it leaves the mint all perfect looking, the borax ends up showing through as a white milky substance on these. There's really no good way to clean them. Now here's a couple examples of some bars. Now you can find some pretty generic stuff out there, what they call art bars. Okay, they're just going to have various types of different designs on them. They're not worth a whole lot more than spot. But this is an Engelhard bar. It's got a serial number at the bottom. These are highly prized, and they will get you more than melt value. These are a premium bar. Between these and the Johnson Matthey's Credit Suisse and Pam Swiss are among some of the silver bars to look out for if you're going through a dealer's melt bin, because some of them don't know any better. Okay, and then here's another rare find right here. Believe it or not, the Royal Canadian Mint that minted that maple leaf also did bars too back in the day. This is a .999 fine silver piece. It's even got the serial number at the bottom. This one's pretty toned. It's tarnished, whatever you say it is. Okay, this one I'm pretty sure I could get for cheap, and then turn around, flip it, and make $10 profit on it. They're just hard to find, these Royal Canadian Mints. So this is definitely something to look out for. So when you look for bars, look out for ones with striking designs. Coca-Cola made a whole bunch of these, and those go for a lot of money if you were to resell them. I recently sold a Coca-Cola bar with Santa on the back of it. It made 3 times the money compared to the amount of money I picked it up for in a dealer's melt bin. Okay, so that's my video distinguishing between bars and rounds and the different types that are available in the marketplace. I appreciate you guys tuning into this video, and I hope you picked up a little something on it. In terms of doing research to see how much these sell for, go on a site like eBay, because they'll have real-time type of pricing on there. Go on to advanced through the search engine on there and check out some completed auctions on what these bars go for. You know, you'd be surprised. You know, some of them go for $7 to $10 over melt for things such as like the Canadian maple leaf and any one of these bars that you see here. So it's always good to know which ones will get you a little bit of a premium when you're out there. The dealers won't know any better. They just want to get their silver melt value out of them. For any future news, you know, little tips and tricks of finding coins and coin roll hunting or strap searching through banknotes, I always put a link at the bottom down this way right here. It's in the resource box, and a lot of good information in there. You know, I'll even have some links to other videos on YouTube that are, you know, well worth the time and information. Again, there's nothing to buy, so don't think that you're going to click the link thinking that you're going to purchase something. It's all information. Thanks again, guys. Have a nice holiday.